Okay, welcome back. So the next thing now we will be looking at is equations. This is very important, especially for those of us that are teachers, and then you will be typing mathematics questions. So with this facility, you can basically write any type of equation, okay? So to use the facility, you just click on it, then it will give you now different types of equations. So let's say I want to do a simple fraction here, like 1 over 2. So what you do, you go to fraction and then click on this box here. So you can have 1 over 2. So it's that simple, huh? If you also want to say something raised to a particular power, you know, we've done this before elsewhere, huh? So it's still here again, then you can do so, huh? Okay, let me have that somewhere else. I'm going to insert. Let's say I want to have you know, 5 to the power 5, so I can just say 5 to the power 5. Okay, or if you want to write an improper fraction, okay, an improper fraction. So what do we mean by an improper fraction? Let's say uh, like one whole number. Oh no, that's a mixed fraction, sorry, a mixed fraction. Okay, like one whole number, 1 over 5. So you have that one here on the script, then this one here, one whole number, 1 all over 1 all over 5. So any kind of equation that you want to write, you have that facility here. Okay, so just make sure that you select the right category, okay, and then you will see the equation that you might be looking for. Okay, any kind of equation that you may think of, you can possibly have it here. So in here you also have some symbols that you can also insert, like your basic operators: addition, subtraction, division and multiplication, alongside other types of shapes. And these shapes here are in categories, so you can always switch to arrows, you know, Greek letters, all right, any kind of symbol, mathematical symbol you may also think of, huh? They are all here. Okay, or greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So you can type all those available here. Okay, so this would be very useful for the teachers, I know. Okay, so you know, yeah, as you may need, they are all here. Just make sure that you click on the right category to get whatever it is that you are interested in. Okay, yeah, all right. So that's for equations. So for symbols, I think we have almost treated those on the equations, but then for quick access to symbols, you can just use the symbol facility here as well. So so far so good. That is now all for the insert tab. So in the next class we will just quickly go through design, then layout, and then finally to review and view. Then that will be all for Microsoft Word. Then we go into Excel. So probably in the next 1 or 2 classes we are done with Microsoft Word, then we move to Microsoft Excel. So in the meantime, if you have any questions, you can always drop them in the group, and I will try to respond as quickly as possible. Okay, so thank you very much.